Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Pokémon GO Adventure Sync. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open Pokémon GO application on your device. Click on the Pokémon ball at the lower part of your screen. Click on Settings. Click on General. And if you have the Adventure Sync on General, just go ahead and turn that on. Okay? So once you've done that, exit on Pokemon Go, open Settings, then now scroll down until you find Pokemon Go. Click on it, go to Location, select Always. Now go back here. And if you have the cellular data option, just go ahead and turn that on. Now what you need to do is to go to Health, go to Data Access and Devices, click on Pokemon Go. Then you need to make sure that all of these permissions are turned on. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and try again on playing your Pokemon Go, and that should fix Pokemon Go Adventure Sync. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.